Hi, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open an app in pop-up view on this device. Start by choosing any app like Chrome and opening it. Then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. Now click at the top right corner of this app and choose Floating Window. As you can see, now I can use this app in this window over here. I can also overlay it with other apps. If you want to close this window, you have to click on it and tap at the top right corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!